Episode 25, week 25 usage. The setup at home is in the description below as usual. I'm moving straight onto the mileage on the car. The car's now done 4,174 miles, which is 28 miles done for this week, and we've now done 2,341 miles since the start of the 2020 logs. The generation meter is now reading 31,045 kilowatt hours, which is 106 kilowatt hours for the week and 2,056 kilowatt hours since the start of the 2020 logs. The My Energy Eddi is now reading 16 kilowatt hours from the month and 156 kilowatt hours since the start of the year, and that's all energy that would previously been exported, but the Eddi's picked it up and put it straight into the hot water tank. The smart meter is now reading 8,483 kilowatt hours, which means we've used 107 kilowatt hours for the week and 5,892 kilowatt hours since the start of the 2020 logs. Moving on to the Tesla data, here's the pattern for the whole week, 15th of June to the 21st of June, and we've used 193 kilowatt hours of home usage. We had 106 kilowatt hours from the solar. We've had 79.7 kilowatt hours from the powerwall, and we've had 100 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 2.3 kilowatt hours going back into the grid. On Monday the 15th of June we drew 5.7 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.2 going back. We got 11.4 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall, and we had a solar contribution of 23.4 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 25.4 kilowatt hours. The pattern shows that we charged the Powerwall from the grid early in the morning and then heated the hot water from the Powerwall before being self-powered for the rest of the day. On Tuesday the 16th of June we pulled 5.2 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.2 going back. We got 12.3 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. The solar contribution was 13.9 kilowatt hours and the home usage was 23 kilowatt hours. And what we pulled from the grid was the hot water first thing in the morning on the cheaper Octopus Agile rate, and also a little bit of Powerwall charging. I've also set the Powerwall back onto cost saving in the advanced mode, so it works out how much battery it thinks it will need to get us through the day, and that's to keep the grid charging to a bare minimum. On Wednesday the 17th of June we pulled 17.8 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.9 going back. We got 7.6 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 16.5 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 27.1 kilowatt hours. And the downside from allowing the Powerwall to make its own decisions when it charges or doesn't charge is that we ended up adding power through the Eddi into the hot water tank before the end of the day, because the solar fully charged the battery and we would have normally been exporting, and that's because the hot water and the Powerwall charged up first thing in the morning. On Thursday the 18th of June we pulled 10.5 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.2 going back. We got 10.2 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of only 3.6 kilowatt hours and the home usage was 18.5 kilowatt hours. So first thing in the morning we charged from the Powerwall again, and there was also, we charged the Powerwall, heated the hot water and also added some charge to the car. On Friday the 19th of June we pulled 17.6 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.2 going back. We got 8.8 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall, 9.2 kilowatt hours from the solar, and home usage of 23.2 kilowatt hours. And again we charged the Powerwall, charged the car and heated the hot water at the cheapest rates on Octopus Agile. On Saturday the 20th of June we pulled 21.3 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.5 going back. We got 11.7 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 17.7 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 35.4 kilowatt hours. And again charging the Powerwall, heating the hot water and some car charging early in the morning on the cheap rates from Octopus Agile. And finally, Sunday the 21st of June, we pulled 21.8 kilowatt hours from the grid, with 0.2 going back. We got 17.7 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall, 22.5 kilowatt hours from the solar, and a home usage of 40.8. So again, we're car charging, heating the hot water, and also charging the Powerwall before being self-powered for the rest of the day. And the final thing to mention is the gas. We had 7.44 kilowatt hours for the week, a cost of £1.45 for the week, and we're now up to £33.67 since the start of the 2020 logs for the gas usage. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please add it to the comments section below, and thanks for watching.